mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. July 10, 2024, Wednesday, racing, starting time, alas 5 ng hapon. 7 races. Lahat ng race ay may distansyang 1,200 meter run. Race number 1, first choice number 1, Blue Miss. Second choice number 2, Lucky Fortune. Race number 2, first choice number 1, Hung Loose. Second choice number 6, Static. Race number 3, first choice number 6, Magnum Force. Second choice number 4, Heart of Steel. Race 4, first choice number 4, Antonio de la Mogis. Second choice number 3, Stand in Faith. Race 5, first choice number 6, Primero Soldado. Second choice number 3, Den Deren Den Den. Race 6, first choice number 1, Enigmatic Linden. Second choice number 3, Gold Rush. Race 7, last race. First choice number 3, Fort Kennedy. Second choice number 4, I Tell You. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!